Love it or hate it, BMW's controversial styling is here to stay. The grills keep getting bigger, the headlights keep getting weirder, and yet the brand's sales remain strong. This time around, it's the big X7 SUV's turn for facial surgery. The 2023 model has an updated look meant to bring it in line with the new Generation 7 Series sedan, and it's polarizing. There's more to the new X7 than revised front and rear-end designs, however, as the model also sees upgraded engines, a spruced-up interior, and several new standard and optional features. While the previous X7 looked pretty much like a stretched and inflated X5, the new front end makes a more distinct statement with its eyebrow-like daytime running lights above the squared-off headlights mounted lower on the fascia. BMW admits it's not the first automaker to adopt this inverted headlight look. We can't help but notice that earlier vehicles that tried it, such as the Jeep Cherokee and the Nissan Juke, either quickly abandoned it or have been dropped altogether. Nonetheless, we won't be surprised if the X5 and X6 eventually adopt this face too. Sigh. The X7's tail is more pleasing to the eye, as the added chrome bar and revised taillights make for a crisp appearance. There are also new wheel designs, including a massive 23-inch option for the first time. Those big rollers are best avoided, though, as the X7 we drove with the 23s rode harshly over big bumps. The 21 and 22 inchers ride better and still fill out the wheel wells just fine. Once again, the X7 offers a choice of 6-cylinder or V8 power. BMW says the vast majority of buyers choose the xDrive 40i model with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6, and that's the engine that has received the more significant upgrades. It gains 40 horsepower and 52 pound-feet of torque for new totals of 375 horsepower and 383 pound-feet, now surpassing the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 in both regards. On top of that, a 48-volt hybrid system adds torque that juices the total up to 398 pound-feet. The twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 also gets the 48-volt system, but its output is unchanged at 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet. Don't be fooled by the V8's new M60i model designation replacing the previous M50i. BMW says this change in nomenclature was merely meant to align gas engine trim levels with electric models, including the new 9 M60. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.